How can I remove a filter from a photo?
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about a frequently asked question. How can I remove a filter from a photo? It's not uncommon to apply a filter to a photo only to later decide you prefer the original image. So let's dive into the steps you can follow to remove those unwanted filters from your photos.
Can you always remove filters?
Before we start, it's important to understand that removing a filter is not always possible. When you apply a filter to a photo, it alters the image data. If the original photo was overwritten with the filtered one, it might be impossible to revert to the unfiltered photo. However, some apps like Instagram and Snapchat allow you to save a copy of the original photo before applying filters.
Using app-specific functions.
In some cases, the app where you applied the filter might have an undo or revert function. For example, if you're using Instagram, 1. Open the photo you have applied the filter on. 2. Tap on Edit at the bottom of the screen. 3. Then, select Revert to go back to your original, unfiltered photo. Keep in mind, this method will work only if you haven't saved and exited the photo after applying the filter.
Using photo editing apps.
If you've already saved your photo with a filter and can't use an app's undo feature, don't worry. Some photo editing apps, like Adobe Photoshop, can help you get close to the original image. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Open the filtered photo in the app. 2. Use the Adjustments feature to manually adjust the settings like contrast, brightness, saturation, and color balance to counteract the effects of the filter. Remember, this method requires a good understanding of photo editing and might not bring back the exact original image.
Restoring from backup.
Lastly, if you regularly back up your photos, you might be able to find the original, unfiltered image in your backup files. Whether it's iCloud, Google Photos, or a manual backup on your computer, explore your backup options and you may be in luck. While it's not always possible to remove a filter from a photo, you do have a few potential solutions. Using the undo function within the app where the filter was applied, using a photo editing app, or restoring the original photo from a backup. Remember, it's always a good practice to keep a copy of the original photo before you apply any filter or editing. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy photo editing!